We got that guy Thompson.
He's a famous violinist.
Wow. That's me, Thompson. I produce music.
I'm Brian Goldstien. I went from special ed student to 8-figure CEO.
I'm Andy Cali Fresh, and I'm a double agent. And together, we are the Three Wise Men.
We're here with Brian and his new table ornament. This is what he puts on the table when he has dinner guests over.
It's a fucking paperweight.
Yeah, it's a paperweight.
Yeah.
Imagine that. 40-pound. It weighs 40 pounds, right?
Give or take.
As big as his Johnson.
I'm happy with my 2-inch killer.
When you get these guns, you get to choose the color.
Yes.
What color is this?
So this is the color that I have no idea.
Like a desert or something.
I
right?
just copied. So this gun, I originally discovered it in the movie Shooter. And I saw that color scheme. We'll have Andy pop in that little clip from the scene that like really made me want to buy the gun. And then for like next, I don't know, 7-8 years, I'm like, I'll get it one day. I'll get it one day. $18,000 later, finally got one. Also took them 19 months to deliver it.
How come? Because they hand make them?
They hand make them, and they went through a lot of changes in the company. Everybody's been really great. One of the guys there is actually going to fly out here and work with us and make another video.
Do they supply these to the militaries? Is that actually what the snipers use?
Some do.
When you're a sniper, do you get to choose?
No.
They,
It's whatever that agency distributes.
so some of the agencies distribute this gun.
Yes.
So I guess they have a military contract then
Yes.
with this thing.
And it's also $10 a bullet.
Damn. So is this the exact gun that the guy from Shooter used in real life?
Yes.
How far does it shoot?
2,500 yards.
500 yards.
How many pounds per square inch out the bullet?
Go fuck yourself.
So pretty much like this is the most insane kind of sniper rifle. One of
I
the
like
most
this more
insane.
than a 50 cal.
Yeah. Does a 50 cal look similar to this?
It doesn't look this cool. 50 cal is just, it shoots actually not as far. This shoots way farther.
What's the difference between a 50 cal and this is a 408, right?
You're talking like not much.
So is this a bit smaller or bigger?
Smaller.
Okay, small. So the 50 cal hits harder when you shoot it?
Oh yeah.
I wonder if this is gonna throw Brian like across like the table when he shoots it.
Well, we had a plan to have a little person shoot it, but I think he might be a little bit too small for this gun.
I guess we'll figure it out when we see him.
Yeah, I guess we'll see on the range when we show up and have him try and shoot it. So,
It might be taller than him.
I'm not sure if he has the right medical insurance to cover the whiplash.
So
This thing would already give him
what do we want to shoot at the range with this thing?
a watermelon. I don't know. Champagne bottle. How about that?
Champagne
I heard you have
bottle?
one out the back.
All right. What else we got?
What about water? Those like big old 5-gallon water tanks?
How many?
Magic number 3?
That works. Should we see how many pieces of paper it takes to stop a 408?
I don't think it's gonna go through anything.
You think
Paper
one
wise.
piece of paper is going to stop
I
it?
think a piece of paper might stop it.
Oh, shucks. What else should we shoot? Should we shoot the stuff we bought at Target for our
Oh
other
yeah,
test?
we should definitely try to shoot that with this. This is going to destroy it.
I have a feeling that stuff that we bought at Target. I don't know. I
So-
mean, the iron was that the skillet plate that you bought? The skillet plate.
Should we test this on a level 4 trauma plate?
Ooh, that's a good one. The ceramic plate.
Yep. You're
That-
still gonna die from impact. is my
Yeah,
2
the
cents.
deformation on the back of the plate would be ridiculous, but I'm kind of curious to see if it'll punch a hole through it. Yeah,
I
we should
mean,
do that.
I'm sure many people don't own this gun.
No.
Well, not many people have
Aside from the
20K laying around.
yeah, just the cost of the gun is prohibitive.
I mean, because how could you use it for self-defense?
Oh yeah, hold on, let me go get it out of my safe
Well, I
real
guess
quick.
if
Wait,
you knew somebody
Robert.
was coming over, right, you could just be down the hallway, point it at the front door, they open the door.
I wonder if this thing would shatter glass when you shoot it from like inside a tight space like this.
Oh yeah, it's gonna shatter glass.
Just
Like the sound?
the sound, the pressure.
I'd like to shoot this against a ballistic dummy and see what happens.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Anybody got some dummies out there they want shot? Let us
Yeah,
know.
imagine shooting this inside the house.
That'd be loud.
You'd go deaf, and the cops are for sure coming.
Yeah. I don't think it matters where you live, they're coming.
Well, some people are allowed to shoot in their backyards. Not
In
us.
which state?
Yeah,
I'm
you're talking about
man.
Montana, right?
Oh man! Every time I hear Montana, I hear good things. I heard no bad things about
And
Montana.
you mean when you get to your gate, you grab that beer out of the ice chest, and you still gotta drive another 10 minutes to your actual house?
Yeah,
That's good. That's golden.
That's a long drive. What if you gotta go number 2?
That's a great drive. Are you kidding me?
What if you
Private
gotta
property?
poop?
Hold it.
Or you're in
minutes
the
is a long
wilderness,
time.
so you can go wherever you want.
That is true. But make sure you have a piece of toilet paper rolls.
But who wants to shit in their yard?
It's my yard.
You'll never see it.
Shit wherever I want. You got
He's
100.
marking your territory.
Yeah, dude. I got 140,
Scare some bears off.
140, 150 acres of land.
Do people hunt with this thing?
No.
What do people do with this? Just shoot for fun, right? Because
Yeah, you're just shooting targets.
could you hunt with this thing?
No. Too big of a caliber.
What about if you're hunting? I don't know. What's the biggest thing you're
I-
elk?
There's limits for what you can and can't use.
So this would be like. So there's nothing you can hunt with this.
No.
Grizzly bear?
No.
Dude, I would like to, from like 500 yards, hit a propane tank in the desert with this thing.
That would be insane.
I don't think it's gonna blow up though. You're just gonna pop a hole and it's gonna start spinning in circles.
Oh, that is true. I didn't think about that.
You'd have to hit like some tannerite on top of it to really make it go boom.
And that's 2 shots. 2 shooters.
Why is it 2 shots? You just tape the tannerite to the front.
So it hits that first, then
Then the bullet keeps going into it.
it's not a bad idea. We had to do it in Nevada, though.
Yeah, that's not legal in this state.
Is it? Can you do that in Nevada?
Yeah.
So you could take this gun to Nevada, though, right?
Yeah.
Is there a weird rule about that? So if you have a certain gun that's not legal in other states, because you bought it in a state that it is legal, you could take it to that state, or you can't.
You can't. If it's not legal in that state, it can't go to that
So
state.
it can't cross over the line.
Nope.
Actually, that makes sense. Now I think about it. Now I'm thinking that through. That makes sense.
You're like,
James just ate some Thai food, so he's like very alive right now.
Yeah, my brain's reconfiguring itself.
some Thai food?
It's
You ate enough
rebooting.
Thai food for 3 fucking people.
He's gonna, trying to build up the energy to hold this gun when we go to the range.
I think
Who's
you can
deflating?
handle it. They're deflating?
Yeah, from the corona. Staying indoors, no gym.
Just typing away.
Just typing away and editing
Mouse clicks.
Yeah, tell me about it.
and violence.
My fingers
strokes.
are getting the workouts. That's all about. That's about
Violence.
it. All right, sweet. Should we take it to the range?
Think we shall.
All right, let's go.
Alrighty.
Yeah.
So we are going to head off to the range. So stay tuned for part 2 of this video, where you'll see us blow up a bunch of stuff with this gun. But don't forget to subscribe, like this video, ring a bell. I'm sure you have a bell at home somewhere. Hopefully, and then the missus will come running with a cup of coffee, I guess. And yeah, we'll see you next time. Catch you later.
Alrighty, guys.